Let's break down your energy bill in 60 seconds. For every dollar you pay to Central Hudson, 42 cents goes to delivery. Delivery powers the grid, funds 24/7 outage repairs, pays for tree trimming, customer service, and infrastructure upgrades that make your service more reliable. 22 cents covers taxes and supports New York's clean energy goals, as well as programs for families in need. 36 cents pays for the energy itself, purchased on the wholesale market with zero markup. And here's the kicker. 58 cents of every dollar you pay is driven by costs outside of Central Hudson's control. So when you pay your bill, less than half actually goes to Central Hudson. To learn more about your bill and what you're paying for, visit our website.